Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In our previous video, we are talking about the ifconfig and empty value, which help us to determine is there any package loss or slow internet. Now, as you know, I am having one Jenkins server which is running on 1.0.6, and this is having VirtualBox. This is daily study my main server. Okay, what we'll do, if I'm feeling there is some packet drop between this and this, how I can trace. So first I will do ping 192.168.1.06. Okay, ping is happening, but and if one click in P0S3, there's no packet drop. It go here, config, what's the Ethernet name in P0S3. This is also not a packet drop. Then there must be something else. So how it is reaching? So to find the path, trace route and the IP of the destination server 192.168.1.106. See how it is going. Trace route in a single hop is because both are in same network, it is directly connecting. But if both are coming from the different what I would say different network or different subnet, so you can see multiple hops and it will tell you that you're able to reach or not. If I ping the same server, because 5 and 7 are the same, so then also it's same because both are in the same network. There is no need to go on a gateway. Okay, so that's how you can trace the path, how it's reaching to that server. So it's reaching there, there's no packet drop, there's no, in a if config there's no packet drop. So this is how you're able to see both server are connected or not. You can ping 106 and traceroute. This will help you. And on the both, you have to check by this. Now question arrives. See, I'm having two IP 107 and 105. In corporate world, we must be having management IP and a production IP. Production IP will be different. Like it might be public IP or something else range. Okay, and managed IP will be different. Now question is, my ping, if I'm doing the ping 106 server, it is happening, is going via Ethernet 0S3 or 0S8 or we determine. So for that we are having ping -I in P0S8. Okay, in P0S8 is also going in P0S3. In P0S3 is not reaching there. See, 100% packet loss. S3. See, the system is taking the exit from something else. Now we'll check. Nested I1 NR. Okay, ENP0S3 is also having same gate. ENP0S is also having the same exit gate. But if you see, this is having the priority rule here set. So it's reading that thing. So that's how you can determine your network or your traffic is flowing via which Ethernet and which IP. Let's see, it's pinging, and if I do 3 wala thing, it won't ping and it will show 100% packet drop. Now if config EMP0S3, we'll see, okay, there's no packet drop, it's showing here. Let's see config command, there's no packet drop because the traffic is not able to reach. It is dropping itself here only. Now we'll check team message. If there any message, and it will not do anything. Close. Okay. This is the old message which was there. There's nothing in the message. Now we'll check log messages. So this is how you can check if your traffic is flowing via which IP, which Ethernet, and how you are able to reach. You can do trace route to trace the route. Now if I do trace route, see trace route 192.168.1.106 it's reaching, okay, but we know it's reaching via Ethernet ENP0S8. Let's see. So here also I will do traceroute hyphen small I ENP0S8, which is reachable, okay. And if I do 3, we'll check why it's not reaching. See, now it's not able to exit from its own port, so connection from here to there is not established. See, all the hops, 30 hops it has counted, is not able to reach. So this is how you can check why your network is not able to reach and via which each channel is getting reached. For that we have to define routing, that you should exit via this path, then only you will leave. Now if config, we check furthermore, ENP0S8 is having IP, I will try to bring it down. If down, okay. If config, ENP0S8 is not having IP, ENP0S8, and let's check ethtool. Now we'll try to ping. See, now it's happening. Nested -NR, see, all the route which is defined for ENP0S8 got removed and your interface is able to reach via this. Now if ENP0S8, bring that up, then also it's happening. And now please stop with 8, because only one gateway will be active, okay. We have made some changes in ENP0S3 and we have bring it up and down, so primary became ENP0S8. Now I have brought down the ENP0S8 and bring it up, so primary became ENP0S3. So that sequencing is mattering, okay. If config, see, everything is same for these two Ethernet, but only one gateway will be active. Whoever comes up will take that gateway assigned to it, and using that gateway they will be able to exit, okay. So what is the change here? IP net mask 7 to this thing Ethernet 1000 Ethernet, okay. RX package bytes, how much is the transfer, how much, everything is same word by word, okay. So that's how you can trace it. Now we'll do the traceroute. Where's the command? Traceroute hyphen ENP0S8. This will go to 30 hops count and fail it. Now I'm disconnecting this ENP0S3. If we'll do, it will get connected within a single hop. So what we have learned, first, if your connectivity is not proper, try to ping. If you are having more than one interface, ping -I, pass the interface name and then IP, and same thing, first try the trace route, okay, without any option. If it is happening, use -I to check the which interface is using to exit from the server, and then you can check your sequencing accordingly. That's how it will help you to determine why network is not able to reach to that particular server. So hope it's adding some value to knowledge. We'll learn more about trace route, IP and all in upcoming video. Till then, keep learning. See you in the next video. Bye bye.